In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $7,150 in commission in 11 days with Pinterest affiliate marketing. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Pinterest. For beginners, I will share with you guys step by step how you can create an affiliate account like this one, how you can use free traffic, and so much more. Okay, so I made this commission just in the month of April, in this month. Okay, from the first day of April until the day 11 of April, I made $7,150. Okay, so if you are interested to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner, this video is for you, and let's get started. So what you need to do first, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to use your email address and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying good commission, guys, and you can make so much money with Fiverr affiliate program. Okay, so just click over here on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. It's super easy. Okay, you have here Fiverr affiliates, you have dashboard, you have marketing tools, report, payments, you have a sub affiliate, commission plan, and affiliate user guide, affiliate store, and so much more. Okay, it's really easy. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a profitable and a good service that you will promote on Pinterest to earn commission. Okay, so what you will do first, you need to go back to Google and you need to search for Pinterest. Okay, you need to open Pinterest business account. Search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. It's super easy. Okay, so why we choose Pinterest? So because Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. Okay, you can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly. Okay, because a lot of people, millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, product topics on Pinterest. Okay, so anyway, after you finish your sign up process, this should be your Pinterest homepage. What you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable service that you will promote on Pinterest to earn commission. So what you will do, you will go back to your homepage on Fiverr, click on the search for Pinterest Marketing Manager. Okay, so why I choose this service? This service is already related to Pinterest, and people who has Pinterest account and they want to grow their Pinterest account, they will be interested to buy this service. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. So I will choose, for example, let me see if I can find a good one here. Okay, so maybe this one. Like this one, it has 5 star, a lot of reviews, over 100 reviews. That's really good. I will click on his service. Okay, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. This seller has 8 orders in queue, as you can see. Okay, so which people are buying this service? Of course, only people who has Pinterest account who want to grow their Pinterest account. And you can see how many reviews this seller has. A lot of people are buying this service. People who has Pinterest account, they are buying this service to grow their Pinterest account. And for you, you will promote this service as an affiliate marketer and you will earn commission. It's super easy, okay? So what you will do, you will copy this seller profile link and you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account like this, okay? So you have here dashboard, you have marketing tools. Click on marketing tools, click on default and dip links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on dip link and put this seller profile link here, okay? And click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. It's super easy. Let's go to Pinterest. Go to your Pinterest homepage, click on home feed, click on create pin, and here you go. You will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page, click on his picture, upload this picture to your laptop, double click, save image, and save this picture to your laptop. I'm gonna name it manager Pinterest like this, okay? And I will go back to my Pinterest account. I will click over here and I will upload this picture about this service, open, and here you go. You need to put your title, your description, and your affiliate link. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page and you will copy his title and go back to Pinterest and put this title over here. Description, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, you have here about this gig. This is his description, okay? I will copy this part. I will copy, for example, this part to show you how you can do it. Super easy. Go to Pinterest and put this description here. And here you go. You need to put your affiliate link. So just go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So if you don't have this Fiverr CPA old plan, so for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. It's almost like 4 years that I'm doing affiliate marketing with Fiverr. And so for me, I have this one. So for you, if you have just this one, it's almost the same Fiverr Pro new plan. You can copy your affiliate link from here. It's super easy. And go back to Pinterest, put your affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. You will choose this one. You can create as many as you want. Scroll down, put here tags, okay, keyword. So go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down until you see this one, related tags, okay? Copy those keywords. Pinterest SEO, Pinterest marketing, Pinterest promotion, and use all those keywords, okay? Pinterest manager, make sure to use all those keywords. They are very important. And for beginners, you should really use those keywords. Okay, Pinterest promotion, and copy and paste those keywords here. After you finish, click on publish. And here you go. Your affiliate link will be published to Pinterest. This is your picture, this is your affiliate link, this is your title, and this is your description. That's how we can promote affiliate links on Pinterest, and that's how we can make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner using free traffic. If you have new accounts, make sure to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. If you start promoting a lot of affiliate links and you have new account, your account will get banned. So for me, I have like 5 Pinterest accounts, but for you as beginner, just start with 1 Pinterest account, grow your account, start promoting services related to Pinterest, do your own research, keep doing research, see which services are trending, and start promoting those services on Pinterest to earn commission. Okay, and that's it. This is the method that I'm using, guys, to earn this commission. And I make up to like 10k 10k 12k per month with affiliate marketing using free traffic. Okay, you can check my YouTube channel. I share with you guys a lot of free methods that you can use to promote your affiliate links for free. Not just using Pinterest, you can use YouTube, you can use Facebook groups, Instagram, Quora, and so much more. Okay, and I'm working also on a course that will cover everything from scratch. Okay, for people who are really interested to make money with affiliate marketing using free traffic or using paid ads, this course will cover everything. Okay, so if you are interested, guys, in those videos, please comment affiliate marketing so I can see if people are really interested or not, and I can start making more videos like this. Okay, and see you in my next video.